Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important topic here question paper for class 9 CBSE NCERT social science here. You know that today Tripan Study Center discuss a most important 20 MCQ here for the exam point of view, and there is important for the exam. And let's see question here. You know that question on your screen, question here, what is the position of the president of India? You know that question is clear here. What is the position of the president in India? इट मीन भारत में राष्ट्रपति का पद क्या होता है। क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर साफ है कि भारत में राष्ट्रपति का पद क्या होता है, उस राष्ट्रपति का पद जो है किस रूप में देखा जा सकता है। तो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। यू नो दैट ऑप्शन हियर नॉमिनल हेड ऑफ द स्टेट, बी रियल हेड ऑफ द स्टेट, सी hereditary head of the state, and D none of these. You know that question is very interesting. But first of all, you understand the most important here. The president of India is like the queen of Britain, whose function are a large extent ceremonial. The president supervises the overall or functioning of all the political institution in the country so that they operate in a harmony to achieve the objective of the state. You know that most important. It means to hear option A is correct. The nominal head of the state. There is a nominal head of the state. Reasoning here, President of India is like the Queen of Britain was a function are to be a large extent ceremonial. There is a president survive surprises to be overall function of the political institution in the country so that they are operate a harmony to be achieved to objective to the state. That's important here. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here, which state has the highest literacy rate in India? You know that question is very interesting. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? मीन भारत में किस राज्य की साक्षरता दर सबसे अधिक है। क्वेश्चन काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण और क्लियर है कि भारत में किस राज्य की साक्षरता दर जो है सबसे अधिक है। यू नो दैट ऑप्शन है Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Delhi, and D. Pondicherry. You know that question is very interesting. But you know that Tamil Nadu is not a literacy rate is the highest. And Delhi also and Pondicherry also. It means the only Kerala. Kerala is the highest literacy rate in India. The option B is correct here. The Kerala B option is correct. Kerala is the highest literacy rate in India. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen, question here. Which country experienced a revolution of period to 1857? Which country experienced a revolution period to be 1857? It means to here 1857 से पहले किस देश में क्रांति हुई थी। क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर समझना जरूरी है कि 1857 से पहले किस देश में क्रांति हुई थी, जिसको देख के भारत में भी 1857 क्रांति हुई थी। आपको ये बताना है कि 1857 से पहले यानी 1857 भारत में क्रांति तो हुई थी, लेकिन उससे पहले किस देश में क्रांति हुई थी। तो ऑप्शन है इंडिया, बी फ्रांस, सी बोथ एक्सपीरियंस अ रेवोल्यूशन, and D, neither experience a revolution. You know that question is very interesting and important for the exam point of view. Which country experienced a revolution period to 1857? The one important point here, the France experienced a revolution period to the 1857. The condition of France lead to a revolution that about intervisible to the change to the country. It means to the answer here B, France. The France is there a country. The a revolution period to be 1857. That's an important answer. Option B is correct. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The wind blow in the northern plain in a summer is known as. Question understand? The wind blowing in the northern plains in a summer is known as. क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर साफ है, समझना जरूरी है कि ग्रीष्म ऋतु में उत्तरी मैदानी भाग में चलने वाली हवा क्या कहलाती है। जब ग्रीष्म ऋतु आती है तो उत्तरी मैदान में एक तेज हवाएं चलती है और उस तेज हवा को हम क्या कहते हैं। ठीक है, देखिए हो गए, तेज गर्मी पड़ती है तो उत्तरी भारत क्षेत्र में जो है बहुत तेज हवाएं चलने लग जाती है, उस हवाओं को हम क्या कहते हैं। तो यहाँ पर समझने वाली बात है, अगर देखा जाए तो गर्मी जब पड़ती है तो बहुत ही लोगों को परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ता है और लोग उसको क्या नाम देते हैं, देखते हैं ऑप्शन। तो ऑप्शन ए काल बैसाखी, बी लू, सी ट्रेड winds, D none of these. You know that question is clear. The wind blow in the northern plain in a summer is known as a. The answer is a loo. You know that answer is a loo because loo are the stronger against hot dry wind blowing during to the thus over the northern and north west India. It means the option B is correct. Loo. Loo is very dangerous for the. There is a summer time. There is northern plan. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. Question here. What is an indicator of the depressed economy? You know that. Question understand? Question is clear. What is an indicator of the depressed economy? It mean to hear मंदीग्रस्त। मंदीग्रस्त अर्थव्यवस्था का सूचक क्या होता है। देखिए मंदीग्रस्त का मतलब होता है कि हमारा जो इकोनॉमिक्स होती है वो बहुत डाउन हो जाता है, उसे हम मंदीग्रस्त कहते हैं। जब मंदी पड़ती है तो उसको हम किस नाम से जानते हैं। मान लीजिए किसी देश में मंदी पड़ती है तो मंदी अर्थव्यवस्था के क्या सूचक होते हैं, क्यों मंदी पड़ती है। किसी भी देश के लिए मंदीग्रस्त अर्थव्यवस्था का सूचक क्या होती है। तो ऑप्शन है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, ऑप्शन बी पॉवर्टी, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी एंड देयर इज नोन ऑफ दिस। You know that question is very important for the exam point of view because what is the indicator of the depressed economies? There is an answer here unemployment. Unemployment. So first of all thought why there is unemployment, poverty why not. The unemployment, that's the most important answer because increase unemployment in the indicator of depressed economies. If people cannot be used as a resources, they naturally appear as a liability to be economics. Understand? The people cannot be used as a resource, they naturally appears as a liability to be economics. It means the option A is correct. Unemployment. Unemployment, That is indicator of difference of economics. Option A is correct. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Which plan in the world to increase the enrollment in the higher education of the 18 to 23 years age group to be 15%? You know that question, understand? Question here, which plan in the hour to be increase the enrollment in the higher education of the 18 to 23 years age group to be 15%? It mean to here, किस योजना ने 18 से 23 वर्ष आयु वर्ग के उच्च शिक्षा में नामांकन को 15% तक बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया है? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर बिल्कुल साफ और क्लियर है कि किस योजना ने 18 से 23 वर्ष आयु वर्ग के उच्च शिक्षा में नामांकन भरने को 15% तक बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया है? वो कौन सी योजना है ये आपको बताना है, जिसमें 18 से 23 वर्ष की जो है नामांकन करने के परसेंटेज को बढ़ा दिया है. यू नो दैट द ऑप्शन हियर 11th, B 9th, C 12th, D is 10th. You know that question is important for the exam point of view. And see the answer. The answer is a clear cut here. There is a 11th. The 11th is a correct answer. Why? Reason being here, the 11th plan in the world is to increase the enrollment in a higher education, the 18 to 23 years age group, to percentage by 2011 to 2012 and to be 20% by the 12th plan. It means to the answer 11th. 11th is correct because 11th is increasing of 50% and 2011 and 2012 and there is a percent increasing 21% by the 12th plan. That's an important question here. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen, question here. In this book, the Money Quiz propose a division of power within the government between the legislatures, the executive and judiciary. Identify the book. Question understand? Question is clear here. In this book, matricule purpose a division of power within the government between the legislatures, executive and judiciary. Identify the book. मीन इन पुस्तक में मैट्रिक्यूल ने सरकार के भीतर विधायिक, कार्यपालिका और न्यायपालिका के बीच शक्ति के विभाजन का प्रस्ताव रखा. उस पुस्तक को आपको पहचानना है. आपको तो पता ही होगा कि भारत के संविधान जो है 3 टायर्स पे चलाई जाती है. विधायपालिका, कार्यपालिका, न्यायपालिका, यानी लेजिस्लेटिव, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी. ये 3 टायर्स हैं. लेकिन इसके विषय में किस पुस्तक में जो है लिखी गई है बात, तो उस पुस्तक को आपको नाम बताना है जिसमें जो है सरकार के भीतर विधायक, कार्यपालिका और न्यायपालिका के बीचों में जो है शक्ति का विभाजन किया है. वो कौन सा पुस्तक है? द ऑप्शन हियर, द सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बी द स्पिरिट ऑफ द लॉस, सी 2 ट्रेस्टिस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, डी दास कैपिटल. You know that question is very interesting and important for the exam point of view. The answer here, the spirit of the laws. The spirit of the law. Why? Because is the most important point here. The most important point here in this trust here must is plated by the constitutional system of government with the separation of power the preservation of legality and civil liberties, and the end of slavery. That's important here. The B, the spirit of the law. That's the book here. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Choose the correct option from the columns A and B. Choose the correct option from columns A and B. The column A and the B is important. The column A designated to unemployment area, surplus labor sector, and C market activities. These are Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan secondary education. And B options here found in a industrial. Second it has a move to the primary, and three are non-profitable, and four are universalization of. You know that questions is very important for the exam point of view. It mean to here देखा जाए तो क्वेश्चन यहाँ साफ है कि कॉलम ए और बी में सही विकल्प को आपको चुनना है और उसके आंसर सही आंसर देना है। देखा जाए तो कॉलम ए कहता है प्रचंड बेरोजगारी और उसके साथ औद्योगिक क्षेत्र में पाई जाती है, तो क्या ये ऑप्शन सही बनेगा? दूसरा बोलता है कि अधिशेष श्रम यानी प्राथमिक क्षेत्र में स्थानांतरित हो गया है, या सी बाजार गतिविधियां जो गैर लाभकारी है, या डी सर्व शिक्षा अभियान। सर्व शिक्षा अभियान क्या माध्यमिक शिक्षा का सर्वभूमिकरण है? The question is very interesting. You know that the answer here D is correct. Answer is D is correct. Reason being here, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, the dependent of the universalization of secondary education. The universalization of secondary education because Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan as a SSA is the world of most successful school program me in the India. It was launched to be achieve the goal of universalism of elementary education in the country. It's a focus on compulsory education to children in age group of 14 years. It means to the answer is the D is here correct here. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, there is a universalization of secondary education. The D option is column is correct here. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Assertion and reasoning here. The first assertion is A here. A broken chain stand for the act of become a free. And reason here. Chain wearer used to be fetter slave. Mean here. यहाँ पर आपको जो है अभिकथन और जो है आपको दाव में जो है यहाँ पर समझाना है। यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो आपको इसमें से सही विकल्प को चुनना है और सही विकल्प को आपको चिन्हित करना है कि इनमें से कौन से विकल्प जो है सही है। यहाँ पर देखा जाए तो यहाँ पर ये अभिकथन ये कहता है कि एक टूटी हुई श्रृंखला मुक्त होने के कार्य का प्रतीक है। देखिए, एक टूटी हुई श्रृंखला जो होती है मुक्त होने के कार्य का एक प्रतीक माना जाता है, और कारण इसकी ये बताई जा रही है कि दासों को बांधने के लिए जंजीरों का उपयोग किया जाता था। तो ये बात तो सही है कि दासों को बांधने के लिए जो है जंजीरों का उपयोग किया जाता था, जंजीर को तो प्रयोग होता था। लेकिन क्या ये अभिकथन सही है कि एक टूटी हुई श्रृंखला मुक्त होने के कार्य का प्रतीक है? देखिए, टूटी हुई श्रृंखला का मतलब ये है कि कार्य का प्रतीक है, तो काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है और ये भी बात सही है। एंड सी द ऑप्शन हियर, both assertions A and the reasons R are true, and the reason R is there is a correct explanation of the assertion A. B here, both assertion A and R is a true, but reason R is a not their correct explanation of the assertion A. And C, assertion A is a true, but reason is a false. And D, assertion A is a false, but reason is true. The question is very interesting and important for the exam point of view. You know that first of all, you understand our one point here, and point here that's important because point understanding for this question. The point here in 18th century, the majority of man and woman could not be real or right. Understand? In the 18th century, the majority to the man and the woman could not be read and write, so they use a symbol where a broken chain. Significance that a chain were used to be fatter slabs and stand for the act becoming free. It means to the option A is correct. Reason here a broken chain stand for the act of becoming a free. And the reason chain were used to be fatter slab. That's important option A is correct here. It means to A and the R is correct. There is a assertions and reasons are true. And the reason R is the correct explanation of A. The option A is correct. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.